Hi guys, what we're going to do right now is we're going to talk about installing a tool into our Chrome browser that will make the rest of our project possible. Sounds pretty important. What this is called specifically is a Chrome extension. As the name implies, a Chrome extension extends what you can do using Google Chrome. What that means is that you can do more on Google Chrome, which is pretty awesome. So there's going to be a button on your screen. I'm not currently sure where it is. I haven't solidified the design of this page yet, but it just says eyedropper. So just go ahead and click on that. And this will take you to the tool that we're using today. It's called the eyedropper tool. Duh. It's right here. So all you're going to have to do, you're going to click Add to Chrome. Click on that. And then up will pop another box that says Add eyedropper. And you say, yes, add extension. You'll have to be logged in for this. If you're not logged in, it's not going to work. So we'll have to get you logged in. So then immediately up popped right here, the Chrome extension right here. You can see the eyedropper and then the little square with rounded corners that is blue. So there's the Chrome extension right there, and then this page just popped up. We don't need it, so you can close it. So the way that this Chrome extension works, it's really cool, really easy. So pretend I wanted this square to be this purple, and I wanted this square to be this blue. Now, one option that I have is I could click on the square, go over to the paint bucket, and I could try and find the exact purple. And, that looks pretty close, but let's move it over. And I can see actually that it's not the same at all, right? Let's put it back where it belongs. And similarly, I can try the same thing with the blue, but it doesn't really look like I have any good options here. That's pretty terrible. So I can even go into custom and try and find it on this crazy wheel. Actually, that's pretty close. We're not going to go with that, though. We're going to go with the exact thing. This is a little bit darker still. So what we're going to do, we're going to use our Chrome extension, and it's so easy. You click on it, up pops this little thing, and it says pick color from web page. So you click on that, and then do you see how with my mouse there is now this box that is following me around like it's my little brother? So for this purple right here, I'm going to go over to here. I've got my mouse hovering over the exact purple that I want, so I'm going to click. And now you can see right here over at the eyedropper tool, that box is no longer blue, but it's actually purple. So I'm going to click here. It's got my purple color saved. And so here's the only tricky part, and it's not that tricky, but so right here is a little code that I need for what the exact color is. This is how computers read colors. So it's like a £sign or a hashtag 7312BD. So I'm going to just copy that code right now. And you can do that however you copy things on your computer. Some of you are using Chromebooks, others are using Mac computers. So then I'm going to select the shape, go into fill color, select custom, and then right here, this is where I can paste in that color. So I'm going to click Command V. You can see that my new color is just right there. And there we go. Now it's the same exact color. I'm going to do the same thing very quickly with this one. Eyedropper, pick from web page. There's the color. Copy. My brain's not working so well right now. Copy my code from right here. Copy. Custom. And there it is. Cool. So that's about it. That's how this works. If for some reason instead of going to your color, it actually turns into some weird red or just a random color that you don't know why it picked that one, copy your code back over. Sometimes it gets a little messed up. I don't know why. It's annoying, but that's how it goes. Okay, that's it, guys. Thanks.